Hello, ocean explorers. I am Ava Wingfield, and today we are meeting a wise old traveler who's been swimming through the sea for millions of years. Can you guess who it is? Let's dive in and find out.
I am a sea turtle, and I've been swimming in the ocean for over 100 million years. My body is covered by a hard shell that protects me from predators, but I can't hide inside it like a land turtle. I just keep swimming. Even though I live in the ocean, I have to come up for air, just like you, because I breathe with lungs. I use my flippers to glide through the water, and I can swim for miles without stopping. When it's time to lay my eggs, I crawl onto the beach and dig a hole in the sand. That's where I carefully lay my eggs. When the babies hatch, they race toward the ocean quickly before hungry predators find them. I eat many things, but some of us love jellyfish. That's why it's so important to keep the ocean clean. Sometimes plastic bags look like jellyfish and we might eat them by mistake. Cool facts 1. I can't swim backward. My flippers are great for gliding forward through the water, but there's no reverse gear for me. 2. I can live to be over 100 years old. That's right, I could be swimming around long after you grow up. Some of us live a whole century. 3. I have awesome underwater vision. I can see really well in the ocean, especially in blue and green light. But when I'm on land, everything's a bit fuzzy. Drawing challenge. Draw a baby sea turtle hatching from its egg and crawling toward the ocean. Can you add waves, crabs, and stars in the sky?
Wow!
Science question. Why do I have to come up to the surface to breathe? Biology question. How do my flippers help me swim? Trivia question. Where do I lay my eggs?
Sea turtles are amazing ocean travelers, and they have been around since the time of dinosaurs. Thanks for joining me on today's adventure. If you had fun, don't forget to check out our books on Amazon. They're full of fun facts, coloring pages, and creative activities just like this one. And guess what? Our latest books even include augmented reality messages from me. You can also find digital downloads on our website and Etsy. And be sure to subscribe so you never miss a new adventure with me and my friends. Until next time, be curious, be kind, and always be colorful, be you.